This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Tammy Emrich. Wonderfully updated 3-bedroom end unit in Chicks Beach. Short distance to the beach, lots of great restaurants and shopping nearby, military bases, and the interstate. The first floor has a very open floor plan which includes the kitchen with bar seating and also eat and dining area, laundry, half bath, and fenced-in patio with a generously sized storage area. Second floor has 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths. Both bathtubs have been refinished. The first floor has brand new LVP flooring and the second floor including the stairs has brand new carpet with a fresh new coat of paint throughout the unit as well. All new flooring installed in October 2021. For more information, review the details below.